Thanks for joining K&J Travel for Josh's hike up the Barr Trail to Pike's Peak. Hey, good morning. It is 4:43 a.m. here at the base of Pike's Peak, the trailhead for Manitou Incline and the Barr Trail. I'm just having a little breakfast before I head up. It's a little dark, so not much video yet, but getting ready to head up. See you guys on the way. Alright, about the 1 mile mark. Maybe just short of it. About 20 minutes in. Still real dark. It's 5:07. Alright. It is 6:08 a.m. October 17th. Started at about 4:45 at the 2.5 mile mark. On the way up to Pike's Peak. It's a beautiful morning. It's about 53 degrees-ish. Beautiful. No wind. Good morning, everyone. This is Josh from K&J Travel. I'm in Colorado, hiking up the Barr Trail, Pike's Peak. It is 6:57 a.m. October 17th, 2020. I'm a little over 4 miles up. Sun just came up. It's beautiful, as you all can see. But thank you all for joining me on this hike. Hopefully you get some good views. It's really a beautiful morning. It's started out in the lower 50s. Hit a cold patch of air on the way up. Probably dropped 10 degrees, but kind of stabled now. Probably 50, maybe a little bit colder. But the view is just amazing. This is my first time talking on one of these videos. Usually I edit them and add in the commentary later, but giving this a try. Let me know what you guys think about it. As always, if you like the content or the video, click the thumbs up button to like, and we always appreciate your subscriptions. It's been a rough year for travel, 2020. We got a couple trips in. Hopefully next year will be better. But we still got plenty of other videos to edit and get posted, so subscribe, because there's a lot more content coming. Hopefully you all enjoy it. Hello everyone, Josh again from K&J Travel. We're almost coming up on 6 miles up the Barr Trail, October 17th, 2020. It's about 7:30 a.m. Started a little after 4:45 a.m. Almost to the halfway point. On our way up to Pike's Peak. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Feel free to leave comments below. We always welcome that. Stay on the lookout for more content. As you can see, the first half of the hike is not terribly difficult. You are at altitude, so be prepared for that. It's always good to acclimate to the altitude by spending a few days in town before venturing out on the hike. The trail is easy to follow, not too terribly rugged at this part of the hike. You are constantly gaining altitude and climbing, so take it at a good pace. Keep plenty of water and food with you. There's always some other hikers on the trail, and they're all pretty friendly and always good to say hello. 6.5 miles to summit. Half mile to the camp. At this point in the hike, you're coming up on the halfway point, the Barr camp, and really you're just looking forward to it. It's a good place to sit down, have a snack, catch your breath, give your feet, your legs a nice little rest. Usually there's a few other people there. Some have camped overnight, some are just stopping there like you are, but it's definitely a welcome sight at this point. So Thanks for joining us for the first half of Josh's hike up the Barr Trail to Pike's Peak. Please keep a lookout for the second half and other videos from K&J Travel.